Hey guys, Ray from Love You RV. So here's a quick update on my slide motor repair that I did earlier this year. So I think it was probably about January where our slide quit working, and I disassembled and took out the motor and took it apart and found out this plastic gear here had a failure. You can see here there was a smooth spot on it where it had been stripped out. So at the time I was trying to find this gear, but it wasn't successful. So I found on Amazon someone was making a all metal gear for it. So I thought, oh great, I'll get that, and it installed it, and I did a video on that. But about 3 or 4 months later, it failed again, and it actually stripped that gear, and I had to replace the motor. So I did a video on that. And the problem I had deduced was this clutch gear here was failing, and the clutch was sticking, and then that would kill the other gear. That's the two gears in there. So that's what was causing that failure. So I got the motor installed, and it's been fine ever since. But recently, a couple days ago on my YouTube channel, I got contacted by this Tuson, which makes the motor. Tuson RV Brakes is the website. I looked at their parent company website, said Tuson supplies its products to a variety of OEMs in several industries. Those business segments include fluid power, electric motors, and linear actuators. And down here it says recreational vehicles. So they're the original manufacturer of the motor and parts, and they now are actually selling that motor themselves. Here you can see Tuson 18:1, and it's compatible with LCI part numbers, and this is the part number that was for my motor. And actually at 400 it's a lot cheaper than what Lippert or you can find it on Amazon for. I think there might be some knockoffs, I'm not sure, but this is the original maker of the motor. But they also have, if you go down here to replacement parts, it's not the right one. Let's go parts and accessories. Yeah. It's in replacement parts. Oh yeah, there's the double nylon gear, which they had before, and I had updated that was available on their website. So you didn't have to get the all metal one if you didn't want to. And over here on page 2, they now have the clutch gear. Voila! So that would have been the part. I could have replaced the nylon gear and the clutch gear because the actual motor part of it was fine. So I thought it was worth doing a video in case someone missed that, and I'll update the links on my other videos so people know about this website now, and they could always go there and grab those parts. Till next time, Ray from Love You RV. Thanks for watching, everyone. Cheers, folks.